to the place where the laughter flows.
Hi superstars! Hello my bright, brilliant brainies! Welcome back to Brainy Bubbles Academy with Mrs. Alberta, the fun and magical place where smart kids grow even smarter, one colorful bubble at a time. In our last video, we explored the fantastic 11 times table. And wow, what an amazing multiplication journey we've been on. We've already mastered the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 times tables. You all are becoming true math champions. If you're new here, welcome aboard the Brainy Bubbles galaxy of learning. And to all my returning superheroes, I'm super happy to see you again. Are you ready? Are you excited? Get your math helmets on because today, we are blasting off into the powerful 12 times table. Let's go.
Stand up tall, let the big chorus ring. The final facts we're ready to sing. This is the moment, the final countdown begins. The 12 times table is how our learning wins. 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3 is 36. 12 times 4 is 48. 12 times 5 is 60. 12 times 6 is 72. 12 times 7 is 84. 12 times 8 is 96. 12 times 9 is 108. 12 times 10 is 120. 12 times 11 is 132. 12 times 12 is 144. We've reached the top, the pinnacle of the list. Every multiplication factor we now know. Mrs. Alberta's class is simply first rate. 12 times table, the mission is done. Our multiplication journey has been fun. Shout out to Brainy Bubbles and give a big cheer. You've mastered all the tables all through the years. Stand up tall, let the big chorus ring. The final facts we're ready to sing. This is the moment, the final countdown begins. The 12 times table is how our learning wins. Let's do it again. Come on.
And that brings us to the end of today's exciting lesson. Superstars, you did absolutely fantastic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this lesson with your friends. Keep bubbling with knowledge. And I'll see you next time at Brainy Bubbles Academy with Mrs. Alberta. See you next time. Goodbye, my brilliant students.
Bubble, goodbye, it's time to leave. We learned, we smiled, we made new friends. With messy hair, but we grew so bright. Brainy bubbles shine so well in sight. Stay smart, stay kind, keep that joyful heart. Bubble